Now to an NBC News exclusive inside the operation to try to stop the pipeline of illegal narcotics, guns, and human trafficking into the U.S. by cutting it off at the source. Julia Ainsley takes us to South America.
Tonight in Colombia, a critical and dangerous mission. The U.S. trying to stop drugs, weapons, and migrants from reaching the southern border. We're getting an exclusive look, traveling with Americans from Homeland Security Investigations, or HSI, and the Colombian police they're training.
We're listening in on a tactical briefing between Colombian National Police, the Colombian military, and HSI from the Department of Homeland Security just before they go out to a number of high-value targets.
For their safety, we are not revealing the identity of these officers. Colombian police heading out to an alleged drug cartel leader. We arrive at this Medellin apartment complex. U.S. officials say synthetic drugs produced by these gang leaders were seized in Miami. 2 suspects are placed in handcuffs.
They've been going through their belongings as police look for more evidence of crimes committed in Colombia and linked to the United States.
In all, Colombian police confiscated over 650 vials of ketamine.
I'm from Bogota.
Nicolas Barrios is with the Colombian National Police.
How long had these guys been operating?
Around 2 years. They are doing too many things like smuggling, trafficking in weapons, and almost homicides too.
Brendan O'Brien is America's second highest diplomat here.
I think Colombians have seen the benefits of U.S. security cooperation. They've seen the number of murders go down. They've seen crime go down.
The next day, we're on a U.S. Black Hawk, headed to a base built by the U.S. government near the Panamanian border. Officials tell us the Clan de Golfo gang controls the drug trade and profits off migrants by extorting them as they head north to the U.S.
These are leaders of a human smuggling network who have been taking migrants across Colombia into Panama, and they've been arrested here today by Colombian National Police with the help of the Americans at HSI.
The alleged cartel suspects could now face extradition to the U.S.
It's one organization that's been taken off, disrupted, dismantled. Will others pop up? Maybe, but not this one.
This group still faces an uphill battle. In the last year, there were a record number of illegal border crossings, and nearly 15,000 pounds of fentanyl were seized coming into the U.S. Lester?
Julia Ainsley, thank you.